waste and trash issue of New Delhi, India is a big problem. Quoting from a reporter of the Hindustan Times, he stated that Delhi may drown in its own waste. This problem is also happening in Bangalore. In New Delhi, 3 out of the 4 landfills are overdue for closure, and there is no fresh landfill available to take in the current discard of 9,000 tons of waste. Out of these 9,000 tons, 50% of it is fit for composting, 30% is recyclable, but only 20% of waste would reach the landfill. 30 tons of these waste are electronic devices, 15 tons are biomedical, 4,000 tons are construction waste, and plastics are 800 tons. Since authorities have not taken great care of previous landfills, people in Delhi are opposing new landfills. When rainwater filters down to the landfill, it has made the soil toxic. By 2021, experts predict that the daily garbage generation in New Delhi will reach 15,000 tons. There are currently 4 landfills in Delhi, the largest landfill being 150 acres and the smallest being 40 acres. With landfills overflowing, numerous problems have occurred. Trash has now covered the streets and rivers, water is getting polluted, the air is getting polluted. Delhi has now even passed Beijing as the most polluted city in the world air quality. However, there are solutions to this problem. Recycle, reduce, segregate, and compost. 30% of your waste can be recycled. Avoid using sachets, aluminum foil, and thermocool plates. Don't wrap gifts, instead put them in reusable gift bags. Segregating is separating waste and dry waste. You can do this by keeping bins for paper, glass, wood, and cardboard. Half of your waste is compostable. Make a compost bin in your community and that will help reduce this problem a lot. Many experts say that waste reduction and recycling play a huge part in reducing this problem. There have been other alternatives to finding a solution. One of them was incineration, and that causes other problems in the environment, but it is slowly being accepted. In 2011, several Indian cities started waste-to-energy projects. New Delhi is starting 2 incinerator projects which aim to turn the trash problem into an electricity resource. In 2000, the Supreme Court of India ordered all Indian cities to implement a waste management program that would include household collection of segregated waste, recycling, and composting. However, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development estimates that 40% of the waste in India still remains uncollected. This is the story of India's trash problem, of how Delhi may drown in its own waste because the problem has gone out of control. People weren't realizing what they were really doing when they were just throwing something off the streets. But if the government actually took into consideration some of these things and made a plan that they actually enforce, we may slowly start to see some change of this problem. The solution starts with you. Remember, reduce, recycle, segregate, and compost. Thank you.